नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो, रियल नंबर या प्रकरणाच्या शेवटच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण शेवटचे 2 पॉइंट पाहणार आहोत. त्यातील पहिला पॉइंट आहे बायनॉमियल क्वाड्रॅटिक सर्ड आणि दुसरा आहे ॲब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू. पण या 2 पॉइंटसाठी आवश्यक असणारा महत्त्वाचा घटक आपण इथं पाहतोय. लुक हियर सर. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, if a greater than 0, b greater than 0, then under root ab is equal to under root a into under root b. जर a ची किंमत शून्यापेक्षा मोठी असेल आणि b ची किंमत शून्यापेक्षा मोठी असेल, then the product of that two numbers and taking square root of this we write in the separate form. So under root AB is equal to, we write under root A into under root B. That means the product of these two under root we write separately. Then next property we share in first bracket A plus B into in second bracket A minus B. So what is this identity we see earlier? That is the expansion here, A square minus B square. ही आयडेंटिटी आपण यापूर्वी बघितलेली आहे, फक्त आपल्या माहितीसाठी ती इथं लिहिलेली आहे. याचा वापर आपण पुढच्या घटकात करणार आहोत. थर्ड पॉइंट, अंडर रूट ए स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू ए. कोणत्याही ए चं वर्गमूळ जर काढलं, ए ह्या संख्येचं वर्गमूळ काढलं आणि त्याचा वर्ग केला तर तीच संख्या येते. म्हणजे एखाद्या संख्येच्या वर्गमूळाचा वर्ग तीच संख्या येते. आणि चौथा आहे अंडर रूट ए स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू ए. कोणत्याही संख्येच्या वर्गाचं वर्गमूळ तीच संख्या असते. सो बाय युजिंग दिस 4 पॉइंट वी सी हियर 2 एक्झाम्पल्स and 2 points. First here some multiply. This example here under root 2 in bracket under root 8 plus under root 18. So how is it multiply? So look here, out of the bracket there is under root 2. Multiply the terms in this bracket, root 2 into root 8. So I write here root 2 into root 8. So that is the first product. Then you multiply this root 2 into root 18. So write this plus sign first here. Then you multiply root 2 into root 18. So I write here root 2 into root 18. Now multiply this. Write this separately product in first here as likes 2 into 8. So write here 2 into 8. Plus this is the second product which is separately you write together 2 into 18. So write here 2 into 18. Now multiply this 2 into 8, that is 16, plus under root 2 into 18, that is 36. Now next here I write here under root 16, that is 4, plus under root 36, it is 6. That means square root of 16, that is a 4, plus square root of 36, that is a 6, and 4 plus 6, that is a 10. So this is the answer of this example. Now we share the next examples. Product of these two brackets. We write here as likes root 3 into this bracket. I write here root 3 into this bracket 2 root 3 minus 3 under root 2. म्हणजे पहिल्या ब्रॅकेट मधल्या पहिल्या टर्म आपण दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय केलं. आता काय करणार आहे, टेक दिस मायनस रूट 2 and multiply this bracket again here 2 under root 3 minus 3 root 2 is equal to, multiply here again as likes. So look here 3 into 2 into root 3. So multiply this root 3 into 2 into root 3. So right here root 3 into 2 root 3 this minus sign right here, root 3 into 3, root 3 into 3, root 2. Then minus this multipliers minus root 2 into this 2 root 3, minus minus here so plus root 2 into 3 root 2. Now simplify this. Look here. Root 3 into root 3, that is a 3 into 2. Then minus these 3 are right here first, and this root 3 into root 2, right in under root 2, 3 into 2. Then here minus this 2 first, then right here is 2 into 3, and plus here so this root 2 that is a 2 into 3. Now 3 into 2 that is a 6, so minus 3 into, in under root 3 into 2, right here so 3 into 2 that is a 6, so, and this here so minus 2, right here so again 2 into 3 that is a 6, so, and plus 2 into 3 that is a 6. So. Now 6 plus 6 that is a 12, and minus 3 root 6 and minus 2 root 6. So radical is same. So you add this minus 3 minus 2, it is a minus 5, and this root 6 same as it is. So as like we get answer of these examples. Now we share the main point of this topic first, but before you write all this. Now we share the binomial quadratic surd. What we share the binomial quadratic surd. वर्गीय करणी आहे पण कशी बायनॉमियल द्विपद वर्ग करणी त्याला काय म्हणणार आपण द्विपद वर्ग करणी. So what is this? So observe here, so there are given some examples under root 5 plus under root 3. So addition of these two irrational numbers. Addition of these two irrational numbers. Then 3 upon 5 plus under root 5. Here addition of rational numbers and irrational numbers. So look here, so surd in the form of addition of two irrational numbers or one rational numbers and one irrational numbers. So in the form of these surd you call here a binomial quadratic surd. म्हणजे दोन अपरिमेय संख्यांची बेरीज असेल किंवा वजाबाकी असेल, एक परिमेय संख्या आणि एक अपरिमेय संख्या यांची बेरीज असेल किंवा वजाबाकी असेल, सो दॅट surds you call here a binomial quadratic surds. Now for our understanding we share some more examples. So what are these? Look here, sir. In first here under root a plus under root b. So that is the first binomial quadratic surds, and product with under root a minus under root b. So look here, sir. There are first terms are same, under root a, under root a, under root b, under root b. First terms and second terms are same in both bracket. In both bracket, first terms and second terms are same. And product of this you get here, so under root a square minus under root b square is equal to a minus b. So these are the rational numbers. In the next example, under root 5 plus under root 3 in first bracket and in second brackets under root 5 minus under root 3 is equal to under root 5 square minus under root 3 square is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So you get here the product of these two numbers, that is the rational numbers. Then in third examples, under root 3 plus under root 7, under root 3 minus under root 7. So product of these two brackets we get here some minus 4. So that is a rational number. And in last examples, 3 upon 2 minus under root 5. In second brackets 3 upon 2 plus root 5 is equal to, you get here, so minus 11 upon 4. So what you study in these 4 examples, so look here, so product of 2 binomial surds is rational numbers. So that means here's the first point we see, product of 2 binomial quadratic surds is a rational number. म्हणजेच काय, 2 binomial quadratic surdsचा गुणाकार घेतला तर गुणाकार काय येतो, rational number येतो. That is the most important point in this. Now what we say again here, sir? आणखी काय बघायचं आहे? Look here, sir. There are product of 2 binomial surds, but in this all product term, in all examples, in every 2 bracket, first term is same and second term is same. Look here, sir. Root A, root A, root 5, root 5, root 3, root 3, 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2. So these are the first term is the same and second root B, root B, root 3, root 3, root 7, root 7, root 5, root 5. So second term is also equal. So as like binomial quadratic surds are called here, so conjugate pair of surds. What do you call this? Conjugate pairs. So I write here, so conjugate pairs. Conjugate pairs of each other. So all these are conjugate pairs. So we share some 2 points, that is the product of 2 binomial quadratic surds is a rational numbers and all these are conjugate pair of each others. So this is the second point. Now we share the third point. What is third point? So in these conjugate pairs, when you product this, you get a rational number. So they are rationalizing factors of each others. So we write here, so each binomial surds so what we share, so third points, each binomial surds in the conjugate pairs is the rationalizing factor for other, because we get here, so product of these 2 number is a rational number. I repeat again here, sir. We share 3 points. What is this here, sir? Product of 2 binomial quadratic surds is a rational numbers. या बायनॉमियल सर्डचा जर गुणाकार केला तर तो गुणाकार परिमेय संख्या येते. दुसरा पॉइंट आपण काय बघितला, in all these examples there are given product of 2 brackets and every brackets there are first term and second terms are equal. So it is called as a conjugate pair of each others. म्हणजे त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, conjugate pair of each others. And in third points, each binomial surds in the conjugate pair is the rationalizing factor for others. प्रत्येक बायनॉमियल सर्ड मध्ये जे काही कॉन्जुगेट पेअर्स तुम्हाला दिसतात ते कॉन्जुगेट पेअर्स काय आहेत, एकमेकाचे रॅशनलायझिंग फॅक्टर आहेत. सो ॲज लाईक वी सी दिस पॉइंट्स. Now we solve here some example depending on this, that means a rationalization of the denominators. But before this you write all this. Now we share the rationalization of the denominators. We use one property we see earlier. What is property? The product of conjugate binomial surds is always a rational number. By using this we solve this example, that means rationalize the denominators 1 upon under root 5 minus under root 3. आपल्याला काही एक्झाम्पल या रूपात दिले जातील आणि रॅशनलाइज द डिनॉमिनेटर, जो काही छेद आहे त्याचा रॅशनलाइझिंग मध्ये रूपांतर करायचं, म्हणजे छेदामध्ये तुमचा रॅशनल नंबर आला पाहिजे. सो फॉर दॅट वी अप्लाय हियर अ कॉन्जुगेट पेअर ऑफ सर्ड्स. सो इन अ डिनॉमिनेटर्स there is under root 5 minus under root 3. So what is the conjugate pair of this? The conjugate pair of root 5 minus root 3 is, what is this here, sir? We know here, sir, first and second terms are same, root 5 root 3. But here, if here minus sign, then it is a plus sign. So this is the conjugate pair of this. Now these conjugate pairs, you multiply in numerator and denominators. You multiply in numerator and denominator. So look here how it is. So I write here again 1 upon under root 5 minus under root 3 is equal to multiply in numerator, that is 1 into under root 5 plus root 3, and in denominators under root 5 minus under root 3, that is the first binomial surds, multiply here the conjugate pair of this under root 5 plus under root 3. Now solve this. 1 into this bracket, so bracket same as it is, that is the under root 5 plus under root 3 upon. Now you know here, so what is the product of this? In this two brackets, product of these two brackets, first term is same, second term is same. So you know here's the identity. In first bracket a plus b and in second bracket a minus b. We simplify this a square minus b square. So that is, we write here under root 5 square minus under root 3 square is equal to, we write answer of this. Numerator is same, under root 5 plus under root 3 upon square root of 5, square root of 5, that is a 5, minus square root 3, that is a 3. So you get your answer under root 5 plus under root 3 upon 5 minus 3, it is a 2. So denominator is become as a rational. So as like we solve this example. We share one more examples. Second example. What is this second example? So that is same example. Rationalize the denominator of this. Rationalize the denominator of this. So first step here, sir, take conjugate pair of this. Alright, here's a conjugate pair of 3 root 2 plus root 5 is 3 root 2, here is plus sign, so we write here some minus sign, that is the root 5. So this is the conjugate pair of this. Now solve this. Therefore 8 upon 3 root 2 plus root 5 is equal to, multiply in a numerator and denominator these rationalizing factors, that is the conjugate pair of this, 8 into 3 root 2 minus root 5. So in numerator we write this, and in denominators 3 root 2 plus root 5, this is the same as it is, multiply this conjugate pair of this 3 root 2 minus root 5. Now, so write this numerator same as it is first here, so 8 into under root 3 root 2 minus root 5, and simplify these two brackets, product of these two brackets. You know here the first terms and second terms is the same. So we apply here identity. You know this identity. In first bracket a plus b and second bracket a minus b. So what are these? What are these? Look here the first term, that is a 3 under root 2 bracket square minus second term, that is a root 5 bracket square. Now solve this. In solving in numerators, you multiply this 8 to this bracket. 8 into 3, that is a 24 under root 2 minus sign 8 under root 5. So that is the numerators. In a denominators, look here, so square of 3 into root 2. So square of 3, that is a 9 into under root 2, that is become 2 minus under root 5, that is become only 5. So what do you get here, sir? This numerator is same, 24 root 2 minus 8 root 5 upon 9 into 2, that is 18 minus 5 is equal to, I write here, sir, 24 under root 2 minus 8 under root 5 upon 18 minus 5, that is 13. So in denominator you get here again rational numbers. So as like you rationalize the denominators, अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला काय करायचे, छेदाचं परिमीयीकरण करायचं आहे. So we share the next point, but before this you write all this, and depending on this there is given practice set 2.4. What is also practice set 2.4. या पॉइंटवर आधारित प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.4 आहे तो तुम्ही सोडवायचा आहे. देर आर गिवन सिंपल एक्झाम्पल्स, यू कॅन सॉल्व इट easily. So write all this. We share the next point. Now we share the last point in this topic, that is the absolute value. So what is absolute value? केवल मूल्य म्हणजे काय? So look here. If x is a real number, x is a real number, x ही कोणतीही वास्तव संख्या असेल, then absolute value of x, absolute value of this x is its distance from 0 on number lines. जर a ही वास्तव संख्या असेल तर त्याचं केवल मूल्य म्हणजे काय? is x is its distance from 0 on number lines. नंबर लाईन वरती 0 पासून त्याचं जे डिस्टन्स आहे ते डिस्टन्स म्हणजे त्याचं केवल मूल्य आहे, त्याची ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू आहे. सो विच इज रिटर्न ॲज मॉड्युलस एक्स. दोन पॅरलल लाईन्स काढल्या त्याच्यामध्ये एक्स लिहिला तर तो अशा पद्धतीने लिहितात आणि रीड ॲज ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू. वाचायचं कसा? ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एक्स, ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एक्स, आर सिंपल यू कॉल हिअर मॉड्युलस ऑफ एक्स. दुसरी एक पद्धत आहे मॉड्युलस ऑफ एक्स, असं सुद्धा वाचलं तरी चालतं. म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय, एक्स इज अ रिअल नंबर्स. इथं आपण रिअल नंबर घेतला, 2 घेतला, 1 घेतला, 0 घेतला, -1 घेतला, -2 घेतला, तर -2 इथे घेतला तर -2 चा ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू 0 पासून किती असणार आहे? 1 2 2 असणार आहे, म्हणजे -2 चा 2 येणार आहे. -1 घेतला तर -1 0 पासून किती युनिट आहे? 1 युनिट आहे. सो डिस्टन्स इज 1, सो इट इज अ व्हॅल्यू इज 1. सेम हियर सो पॉझिटिव्ह साइड्स, द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ दिस 1 हियर, डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम दिस 0 दॅट इज 1, अँड फॉर दिस 2 डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम 0 दॅट इज 2. म्हणजे संख्या रेषेवर ज्या संख्या मांडल्या जातात त्या संख्यांचं 0 पासून असणारं अंतर म्हणजेच त्याचं केवल मूल्य ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू और मॉड्युलस व्हॅल्यू असते. ते आपण इथं पाहिलं. So depending on this there are 3 properties. Look here, so if x greater than 0, जर x ची किंमत 0 पेक्षा जास्त असेल, x ची किंमत 0 पेक्षा जास्त असेल, then modulus of x is x. तर modulus of x हीच संख्या असते. For example here we write example for this. Look here, so modulus of 3 is 3, modulus of 4 is 4. Then if x is equal to 0, तर x ची किंमत 0 असेल, then modulus of x is 0, कारण 0 चं 0 पासून अंतर 0च असणार आहे. So that is the modulus of 0 is equal to 0. So that is example. And third example here, so look here, so if x less than 0, तर x ची किंमत 0 पेक्षा लहान असेल म्हणजेच निगेटिव्ह असेल, then modulus of x is minus x. Modulus of x is minus x. How is it? Look here. For example, I write here -2 is equal to value of this -2. Look here, sir. These symbol minus same as it is, and for this x value is -2 is equal to minus plus, that is 2. आपण संख्या रेषेच्या किमती पाहिलेले. -2 ची 0 पासून किंमत असणार किती येते? 2 येते. And by calculation it is also 2 because here look here, x less than 0, x ची किंमत 0 पेक्षा लहान आहे म्हणजे ती निगेटिव्ह आहे. Therefore modulus of x is minus x. That means for example if you take as a modulus of -2, in the modulus of -2 by formula you write here first minus sign same as it is. Then you write value of x, that means -2, you write here -2, minus plus, you get here value 2. So as like we share the absolute value. That means there is one conclusions. What is conclusions? The absolute value of any real number is never negative. The absolute value of any real number is never negative. म्हणजेच काय, याच्यावर एक कन्क्लुजन असं निघतं, द ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एनी रिअल नंबर, कोणत्याही वास्तव संख्येची ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू ही नेवर निगेटिव्ह, कधीच ऋण नसते, कधीच निगेटिव्ह नसते, म्हणजे ती ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्ह असते. सो ॲज लाईक वी सी दिस ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू. नाव वी शेअर हाऊ टू सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल ऑन दिस, बट बिफोर दिस राईट ऑल दिस. नाव वी शेअर द एक्झाम्पल ऑन दिस ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू. सो लाईक फर्स्ट व्हॅल्यू, व्हॉट इज क्वेश्चन हिअर, फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू, किंमत तुम्हाला काढायची आहे. सो फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, मॉड्युलस 9 - 5. So look, yes, what is this? 9 - 5, that is a 4. You write in modulus. Now modulus of 4, that is a 4. So write here so 4. Then next here so in modulus 8 - 13. So you take first here so subtraction of this. In modulus 8 - 13, that is a -5. And the modulus of -5, that is a 5. In next here so there are two separate modulus and subtraction of this. First you write absolute value of this. Modulus of 8, that is a 8, minus modulus of -3, that is a +3. So 8 minus 3, how much it is? 5. 8 minus 3, 5. And in the last example here, so product of these two modulus, you first write here some modulus of 8, that is a 8, into modulus of 4, that is a 4, is equal to 8 into 4, that is a 32. So as like we share the addition and subtractions and product of this, how to find the value of this. So you understand this, all this example. We see one more different examples depending on this. So what is this? Look here. Solve modulus x minus 5 is equal to 2. आता तुम्हाला काय केलंय, मॉड्युलसची किंमत 2 दिली आहे, पण how many x? You find out value of x. And we know here sir, in the modulus the value of this, it may be plus and minus, positive or negative. So we write this plus minus, that is a in modulus x minus 5 is equal to 2, it becomes x minus 5 is equal to 2 or x minus 5 is equal to -2. म्हणजे मॉड्युलस घेत असताना आपण ती किंमत प्लस किंवा मायनस घेऊ शकतो. सो वी राइट हियर सेपरेटली x minus 5 is equal to +2 and or x minus 5 is equal to -2. Now solve this. For solving this, x is equal to, write this 2 same as it is, and this -5 take on this side become +5. So is equal to 2 plus 5, that is a 7. So you get here sir, x is equal to 7. Now put this value here sir. Look here sir, for this value x you put up here sir, 7 minus 5, that is a 2. You get here 2. So as like you get first value of x. Now we share some next value of x, that is the x is equal to, we write here minus same 2 same as it is, and this -5 take on that side, it becomes +5. So therefore -2 plus 5, that is a, how many it is? 3. So we get here value of x, that is a 3. Now put this value in this. So this 3 minus 5, that is -2, and modulus of -2, that is a 2. So as like we see here some two different value of x in that modulus, and when you put this value of x, you get your answer, that is the same answer. म्हणजे x च्या किमती जरी 2 असल्या तरी त्या सॉल्व्ह केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला येणारं उत्तर हे सेमच उत्तर येतो. सो ॲज लाईक वी शेअर सम मॉड्युलस ऑफ x, दॅट मीन ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एनी रिअल नंबर्स. आता तुम्ही काय करायचं, डिपेंडिंग ऑन दिस देर आर प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5. हाऊ मेनी? प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5. म्हणजे आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्ही 2 पॉइंट पाहिला. एक बायनॉमियल क्वाड्रॅटिक सर्ड आणि दुसरा आहे ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू. आणि या दोन्ही पॉईंटवरती 2 प्रॅक्टिस सेट आहेत. एक आहे प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.4 आणि प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5. हे दोन्ही प्रॅक्टिस सेट तुम्हाला सोडवायचे आहेत. आणि त्याचबरोबर प्रकरण, आपले हे जे प्रकरण आहे ते प्रकरण इथं संपतंय. पण ऑन पेज नंबर 34 देयर इज गिवन ऍक्टिव्हिटी. पेज number 34, there are given 2 activities, very simple. You can solve it because it is very interesting. पान नंबर 34 वरती तुम्हाला 2 ऍक्टिव्हिटी दिलेल्या आहेत. व्हेरी सिंपल आहेत, इंटरेस्टिंग आहेत, मजेशीर आहेत. तुम्ही सोडवण्याचा आनंद घ्या. त्यामुळे मी तुम्हाला ते सोडवून देत नाही. बिकॉज इट इज अ प्रॅक्टिकल वर्क फॉर यू. तुमच्यासाठी ते प्रॅक्टिकल आहे. आणि इथंच आपलं हे प्रकरण संपतंय. सो यू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लेम सेट 2. म्हणजे आजचा हा व्हिडिओ जरी छोटा असला तर या व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्हाला 2 प्रॅक्टिस सेट सोडवायचे आहेत आणि हा व्हिडिओ पाहिल्यानंतर प्रॉब्लेम सेट 2 सुद्धा सोडवायचा आहे. आपण पुन्हा भेटू पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये नवीन प्रकरण घेऊन. तोपर्यंत सर्वांना बाय बाय, धन्यवाद. सी यू वन्स अगेन.